So, good morning everyone. Class 11 subject business study chapter 7. Okay. In the last class we had discussed the concept of equity share. Okay. So equity share are known as owner oblique shareholders. Okay. And perform a voting right in AGM, annual general meeting, and after distribute profit to preference shareholder and remaining profit available to equity shareholder. So today we will start a topic preference share. Today topic is preference shares. Okay. So those shares which enjoy certain priorities concept of preference shares. Those shares are enjoy priorities in enjoy certain priorities regarding dividend या payment of dividend at a fixed rate. Certain priorities regarding dividend or payment of dividend or payment of fixed rate of dividend. Okay. Priorities. So the capital raised by issue preference share is called preference share capital. So shares issued are called as preference share capital. Clear? So concept of preference share, certain features in preference share. So features of preference shares. So point number first in this series, fixed rate of dividend, fixed rate of dividend. So under this concept, fixed rate of dividend are paid to preference share holder as per prescribed norms. Second point is repayment of capital. Point number second, repayment of capital. So at the time of maturity, paid to preference shareholder. Suppose that a preference share maturity period is 5 year or 10 year. So after 5 year or 10 year, payment to preference shareholder as per specified dates. Next, no voting rights, no charge on assets. Point number third, no voting rights available to preference share holder. No voting rights available to preference share holder. Clear? Point number third. Next point, no charge on assets. No charge, no charge on assets. Clear? So point number first, fixed rate of dividend paid to preference shareholder. Repayment of capital means the maturity period of payment to preference shareholder. No voting right available to preference shareholder means no participation in AGM, annual general meeting, but voting right available to equity shareholder in AGM, annual general meeting. Clear? So four basic points are included in features of preference share. Okay, so preference share get a priority and low risk. Next point, fifth number point, low risk factor, a lower risk factor when a company insolvent or dissolve. So first priority payment to preference share holder. Clear? Point number fifth, repayment or refund of capital. And next point, preference share redeem after a fixed period. So point number 6, redeem after a fixed period in preference share holder. So point number 5, in this case, so preference share get a priority over to equity share. Last point, preference share get priority in case of dividend. In case of dividend to equity shareholder. Clear? So point number 6, face value of preference share is generally high. Face value of preference shares generally high. Okay, so 6 to 7 points are included in this features. So concept of preference share. Okay, so those shares are enjoy certain priorities regarding dividend or payment of fixed rate of dividend. Okay.